Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a glass screen protector for your iPhone devices. I believe they actually make this for other phones as well, but the one that we have right here is for the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. So first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. Alright, so that's everything that's included inside. So first thing you can see right here is a little package that includes everything that you can see right here. So I provide you guys the wet wipes, the cleaning cloth, the dust absorber, and dust removal sticker as well. So when you open up the actual envelope itself that I just showed you guys, they provide you guys the installation guide right here and this extra accessory that you can use to stick it on if you guys need to. But I don't think it's actually necessary because of the new way how they built the actual product itself to actually install it, which I'll show you guys in a second. So right underneath that, they actually provide you guys something else. You can see right here, very unique. Alright, so you can see this is basically what it looks like. So the way how you guys install this product itself is very different than a lot of other brands or a lot of previous versions out there. So literally all you guys need to do is to actually stick your phone right behind this, and you just want to push this part right here to actually push the actual screen protector onto your phone and stick it on. But obviously before you guys do that, you do want to remove this little tape right here. You guys see right there, that is basically the screen protector itself. So they actually provide you guys two of them right here, which is pretty cool. It's definitely a much cooler experience in terms of installing your screen protector itself. It makes it a lot easier too for a lot of people who can't install it correctly. So here is basically what the screen protector looks like right here, if you can see, inside right there. And then right underneath that is everything else that I mentioned earlier, such as the wet wipes, the dry wipes, and then also the little stickers as well. So let me actually open one of them to show you guys what it looks like. So here's the wet wipes, here's the dry wipes, and here's the dust absorber tape that you can use to stick off any dust or dirt that's still on the actual phone itself once you guys use the wet wipe and the dry cloth here. But that is basically everything that's included inside the package itself. So first and foremost, obviously the product itself is a much cooler experience in terms of installing the actual screen protector itself, if you guys can see, which you guys can actually find in a second. The next thing to actually mention about the product itself is the fact that for the screen protector itself, it's probably 10 times military grade shatterproof. So if you guys do drop it, or if you guys actually need to stab it by accident, it should definitely have the protection that you guys need or want for your screen protector itself to prevent it from breaking or shattering or whatever. And the way how they designed the screen protector itself is supposed to be super clear when you guys use it. And it's also supposed to be anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint as well. But that is basically a little bit about the product itself. Now let me show you guys how to install it and how easy it is to actually install it first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the phone and we have the screen protector and everything all set up. So let's open up this part right here first and then wipe it down with the wet cloth and also the dry cloth and everything else. So here's the stickers, here's the dry cloth, and here's the wet wipes. So when you guys are using this to wipe down the phone itself, you guys can definitely use it to wipe the back as well. So that way you guys don't waste the actual paper or the wipe itself. And when you guys wipe it, you probably want to wipe it in one motion. So that way actually it cleans it better. And that way there's not as much dust that sticks onto it. I'll wipe the back as well, like I mentioned. Now let's use a dry cloth to wipe it down. Same thing for this one. You probably want to wipe it in one motion like this to avoid any kind of dust or whatever can stick on the actual product itself. Alright, so let's get the sticker and stick off any of the dust if there is any. Alright. That should be good. What we want to do now is to actually remove that sticker on the back of the screen protector right here. So just go like that, peel it out. Once you guys do that, you guys want to clip the phone on top right here, just like that. And once you guys do that, you guys want to press and slide just like this. And then once you guys do that, you guys can actually lift it up. And once you guys finish that part, you guys remove this part right here. And see we have some bubbles right here, which is not a huge issue because what you guys can do is go like this and let it go and push it along. You guys also use the tool that they provide for you guys if it's too fast, and you guys can fix off any of the bubbles if there is any bubbles on the screen itself. But basically once you guys install it, this is basically what it should look like. If you guys can see, it looks perfect. No bubbles at all. Alright, so once we have the product on, you can see it actually works pretty well. If you guys look at the clarity of the actual phone itself, it's pretty high quality and it actually works pretty well. The touch sensitivity, it works pretty well on here, if you can see. You can go up, down, left, right, etc. So it definitely is pretty easy to install it and actually works pretty well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself. You can definitely see that it is pretty easy to install it. I actually really like this brand new way of installing the actual screen protector itself. But you can definitely see everything works pretty well in terms of the sensitivity of the touch and etc. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this brand new way of installing the glass screen protector itself is actually really cool and super worth it, because this way you guys can actually install it correctly and you guys don't have to worry about any bubbles. And even if you guys do worry about like getting bubbles or whatever, they actually provide you guys this accessory just in case if you guys do need to actually use it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to do one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.